Hello again. Now I will be interview Percy's teacher, Miss B. She has been his search teacher since kindergarten. Miss B, can you tell us what made you feel that Percy was gifted?
Percy has that unique way of looking at everything in life that many gifted kids have. He sees relationships between objects or events that most don't see. He was a wonderful, quirky sense of humor that is in everything he does or creates. He is not afraid to be different and doesn't mind if he messes up something.
Do you think Percy feels any pressure as a result of being gifted?
No, I don't think he thinks about how smart he is. He has never lauded his giftedness over other students that I have seen. He is usually very humble about his abilities.
And my last question, Miss B, what has stood out to you as a teacher about Percy?
His intelligence, his humor, and the fact that he is not impacted by peer pressure. His love of learning is amazing, and he loves to ask deep questions about the topic at hand. Many times I have to Google the answer to his questions because they are beyond my understanding of a particular topic. Percy also gets along very well with his peers, and I have never heard him say, "I am smarter than you," even when challenged by another equally gifted child.
Thank you so much for being with us today, Miss B, and talking to us about Percy.